Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the unboxing of the Poco X2 device. So before starting the video, friends, right now you can see that in Flipkart, it got recently launched. So the specifications, everything are pretty same as a Redmi K30 device, so which I am right now. So same kind of box contents, even the Poco X2 will be having. So same kind of case and same 27 watts charger. And this video just an update to make sure that all the users are following the playlist of Poco X2 which I created recently. So in India, the Poco X2 will be launched by the name of Redmi K30. So instead of Redmi K30 in India, Poco X2 will be launched, so which will be a very equal competition with the Realme X2 device. So definitely friends, if you're first time watching this video, so stay tuned for more videos I'll be doing on this phone. And don't forget to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist of Poco X2 if you are interested. So you can find plenty of videos which I already did on the Redmi K30, but all these videos will be exactly same for the Poco X2 without any difference. So all the specifications are same with the Redmi K30 and the Poco X2 device. So definitely friends, if you're watching first time, don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist of the phone. So you can find plenty of useful videos. Definitely friends, I'll be doing another video. So which device will be best, Poco X2 or the Realme X2 device? So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So in this video, I just want to give to everyone an update regarding the playlist which I have changed to the name of Poco X2. So where you can find plenty of videos which I already did. So don't forget to check the links in description, friends, for the playlist. So see you in the next video, friends. And for more videos from now onwards, I'll be doing on the Poco X2 instead of Redmi K30 naming for all my upcoming videos which I'll be doing on this device. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, friends, because I'll be uploading plenty of videos. As you can see on each device, I uploaded more than 100 videos already. So definitely friends, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.